In the peaceful world of farms, there was a superhero, and her name was Super Cow. Super Cow was not like any other cows, because she was a superhero with extraordinary powers. Her strong and brave heart had become a legend in the eyes of all the animals living on the farm. One day, they noticed that the milk depot on the farm was closed. The milk of the cows had disappeared. Upon hearing this news, Super Cow immediately sprang into action. Because the disappearance of milk from the farm was putting the farm family in trouble, Super Cow started to follow the traces and eventually discovered who the milk thief was: Sneaky Cat Scoundrel. Scoundrel had stolen the milk for his own benefit and didn't care about the farm family being in trouble. Super Cow chased after Scoundrel and found him. However, capturing him wouldn't be easy because Scoundrel was fast and cunning. But with her courage and intelligence, Super Cow managed to stop Scoundrel. When caught, Scoundrel had to admit his crime and apologize to the farm family. Super Cow decided to give him another chance and decided not to send him to jail. Scoundrel seemed to have realized his mistake and promised never to do anything bad again. The farm family thanked Super Cow with gratitude. Her courage and sense of justice had won her a place in everyone's hearts on the farm. Super Cow was not just a superhero, but also a friend and protector, and so, peace and tranquility were restored on the farm. Super Cow, ready for new adventures, was celebrated as the hero of the farm.